Hey everyone, Ram here again, DNA Hacker. I'm going to be teaching you an amazing smoothie recipe, all with fresh ingredients and some nice enhancements for your health and well-being. Firstly, I've already used a cold press juicer or a masticating juicer that you see over here. The reason why you want to use this one, I've mentioned this before in my world's best lemonade recipe you can find on my channel. And this juicer is actually great because it doesn't heat whatever it's juicing. It does a natural masticating motion that will extract all the juice from the fruit or vegetable, and it keeps the nutrients and the power of the juice and the subtle energies intact that are found in that juice. I've already gone ahead and juiced a whole pineapple. I have an avocado. These are you can use the bigger avocados that have the more moisture, but I'm using here the Hass avocados because they were just on sale at the supermarket. I also have a coconut here, a fresh coconut. You can also use for this recipe canned coconut. I just don't like canned coconut. I like it fresh. This is a fresh Thai coconut. In addition, once you add these, this is a great meal. You can have this as well. So we've juiced it. We're going to put it in a blender and we're going to blend it in a vacuum blender. You're going to see that this blender is designed to withdraw the air out of the all the container here, and what it's going to do is going to reduce the amount of oxidation. So let me see where I have the top. Have the top over here, and in addition, what we're going to add to this smoothie recipe are some things that I mentioned in my Art of Stress-Free Living book that you can get for free on the link below on my website, or you can get it on Amazon. The money for that book would go to charitable causes, so you can donate or you can get it for free, whatever, it's up to you. We're going to add a little bit of matcha green tea. You do not want to add too much of this because it will give it a bitter flavor. I explain in the book, and I will also include it in my blog post related to this smoothie. I'll be uploading that either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll be talking about matcha green tea. I do mention it on the Art of Stress-Free Living book. I'll also be adding spirulina. This is nature's multivitamin in my B12 supplementation video for vegan diet. I discuss spirulina. It is a great source of B12 vitamin, amongst other things. Excellent. You want to have this part of your daily regime. And lastly, we're going to add, for some extra supplementation, we're going to add flax seeds. These are going to be a great source of fiber and also omega fatty acids. Omega fatty acids are very important for brain health and henceforth for mental health. I also discussed this and all these products in the Art of Stress-Free Living, which is the beginning of getting people primed to live a disease and stress-free life. Yes, I am disease and stress-free, and I've dedicated 2 decades to know how to do this, and I teach people how to do this in my 66-day program. If you want to learn more, book a free coaching session on the link below, absolutely free. And it'll be a great opportunity for us to get to know each other and how I can serve you better. All right, so we have the juice. Let's add the juice to the blender. We're gonna add the avocados. We're gonna add the coconut water. I hope wherever you are, that you're doing well. You're having a great day. So we're going to add some flax seed. I'm just eyeballing it, but you can add a serving if you want. It's probably good. We're going to add some spirulina. In this case, the serving is about a teaspoon. Again, I'm just going to eyeball it. And lastly, we're going to add a little bit of this. Again, you don't want to add too much of this because it may alter the flavor. But this is great for skin health, and I mentioned it in my last video for the B12 supplementation. I mentioned this as well, and it's great for skin health. I do not mention it on the skin health video that I did. Okay, so here you get to see the vacuum blender in action. Most people don't have these. They tend to be expensive. However, I got a great deal on Amazon about a year or 2 ago, and it's been the best buy I've ever had. It's the best blender by far. And so we're gonna put it in, turn it. Now this will seal, it turns on, and when we press this button, I may either do this live like this when I upload it, or I may just edit out this part, but you're going to see how this is gonna start drawing the air out. And so it won't blend it until all the air is out. And what that does is, why is that important? Because it will reduce the interaction between the food you're blending and oxygen, which leads to the generation of toxic substances like free radicals that are damaging for your body. So it's a great option to try to eat something that is easier to digest and more in a whole state. So now it's just gonna blend. It's amazing. You must try it 100%. You will love it. It'll keep going, but just for time's sake, because I use Hass avocados, this will even be a little bit on the creamier side, but this is a whole meal that you can actually have for like lunch or something of that sort. It is delicious. I hope you enjoy, and I hope this has served you well. I'm Ram, DNA Hacker. Have a great day.